Hi everybody, remember me? I know, it's been so long since I've done a video. I have Instagram pics I've done, pretty up-to-date ones, and that's my username, handbag lover, or handbag LVR 13, just has a 13 on the end. But as far as videos, I haven't done one. I've been very, very bad, so I haven't done one for a long time. But I hope you guys are doing well. I hope that with everything going on in the world, that your family and loved ones are fine. So anyways, what I have for you today is an unboxing video. By the way, I was editing the video and I noticed, because someone's going to say something, like, why don't you hang your pictures up? I just got that one back there, Chanel with the Louboutin shoes, the Chanel bag picture to put up somewhere. I haven't decided where to put it. And I mean, basically, that's the only Chanel I can afford now after that price increase, right? Ugh, it's so lame. But anyways, in case you're wondering, yeah, that's just something that I'm going to put up somewhere when I figure out where I want to put it, okay? I'm very rusty at videos, so if I'm boring or, not entertaining at all, bear with me, okay? It's just been a while. I'm very rusty. But hopefully you'll enjoy this unboxing. So let's get to it. This is a Gucci unboxing. I have a couple little goodies to show you. This is from Rodeo Drive store. So I got this, I've already unboxed it actually. It's kind of like cheating unboxing. I already unboxed it because I got it during the quarantine, so it was a couple weeks ago. And I couldn't go down to the store to get it. They were only sending them out, and so they had one mailed out to me. Online, they were out of stock on both items. But anyway, yeah, I just called the store and they just overnighted it. It was super easy and quick, so it was very nice. They sent it in a Gucci bag with the ribbon, which I already undid, and the box. There we go. So, Gucci box, it opens up like so. It's got receipts and things in it. So, there's that. And then here is the item at hand. What did I get? So I got this little pretty girl boy. I guess it's for both. It says it's for men and women. This is the Gucci Supreme Neo GG Vintage. I mean, it's got 1,000, names to it. But yes, this is their vintage line. And so the cool thing about it is it's got this yellow highlighted color with it. So this one also, and it's also very cool because as you can see, it's got some hooks. It's a good buy for, what it is for a high-end, luxury brand, because it comes with a detachable strap that I'll show you. And I saw this, the first time I ever saw this bag, when I was picking up the kids from school, and there's another mom there. She's a pediatrician and she always has these fancy bags. She's got the Coco handle Chanel. It's the black on black with the chevron, and she's got the small Chanel classic flap. And then the other day, well, not the other day, when I saw her last, she was wearing this bag, and I just thought it was really cute. And so the back is like that. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the strap. Okay, so let's get to the interior. Take out the stuffing that's in here. Well, I'm not going to take it all out right now. Well, yeah, I can take it out. It's more than I thought. Okay. So it's a floral print inside. It's got a slip pocket here with all the care booklets and things. And then that's how it looks. So one slip pocket that could fit a car case. Okay, like I said, I already opened it, but the strap, just so you know, I'm going to insert a picture here of how it looks when it's brand spanking new, because I made sure that the store sent me one that was untouched. So this is how it's packaged up when you first get it. And the strap is it's in like this, as you can see, that's the picture I just showed you. But yeah, you just take out of there, and it comes with a couple protective guys to put, they were on the end of the straps where the leather parts are to protect it, and the chain part, the link, the chain link, whatever. All right, so that's how it's packaged. All right, so here's how the strap looks, and it's got the vintage yellow on it. So the reason why they're doing the yellow on this vintage line is if you look at the description when you get the bag, when I looked online, it says that back in the day, the Gucci artisans, when the people would come to get, their bags repaired, they would just use whatever leather they had on hand. So that's why you kind of have like this fun mismatched look, I guess, and it's to pay homage to that, So as far as the hook, it's their new style. It says Gucci on it, as you can see right there. And it has this clasp like that. You just simply go like that. So let me go ahead and put that on, and you can see how the bag looks. Okay, so this is how the bag looks with the chain on. It's in brass. And I really like this because you can put this strap on other bags that you have, because Gucci does not sell the strap by themselves like other brands do. This Gucci doesn't, at least for now. So I thought that was a really good buy for this this bag. And so that's how it looks on me. I'm 5'7" for reference. There we go. Okay, so anyway, this is the bag, and this is how it looks on me. This is how it looks crossbody. And when the mom, the pediatrician, was wearing this, it was super cute. She had on just something really basic. I think it was like a black t-shirt and some jeans, and then you just get this fun pop of color, So, yeah. So the other fun thing I did was, like I said, Gucci doesn't sell straps on their own. They do, but just like the tiny thin ones, not the guitar strap style. And on eBay, I found one with the brown color, a signature brown, that would match this, and another bag I'll show you. And it's adjustable, so it can go longer. And I got it on eBay from a seller who, it was brand new, authentic, brand new. They never used it. They just used the top handles. So anyways, I went ahead and purchased that, and I'm gonna attach this on here to show you how you can change the look of the bag. So this is the one I was talking about. You can see this makes it adjustable, and it has the signature brown, and it has brass, so it's going to match the bag perfectly. It says Gucci right there. And this is their other style. I guess it's called the lobster clasp. That's what they usually use or have used, but now I think they've switched to the other one that I have, that newer version. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this on. All right, so here it is with the other strap. This one, if you want to go more matchy-matchy, a little more conservative, that kind of thing. It just gives you another alternative. So that's how it looks with the brown on brown. Now this little guy here, I don't know if that's going to annoy me or not. I mean, I don't know, but it looks like you can just untie it. It's just like in a knot, so you can just like take it off if you ever get tired of it. But anyway, so that's there. And then you can of course do crossbody as well. Here it is, crossbody. And I have it around the same length as the other one, but obviously this one you can make longer. It's pretty comfy right now. And then I have another bag I want to show you with the straps on it. So, you can add them to like your sporty Gucci bags, that have detachable straps. So let me go and get that. So if you remember, I got a Gucci bag about 2 or 3 years ago. It's from also the Radio Drive store, and it comes with detachable straps. So I thought that this would look fun with those straps as well. This is the Jackie O bag, I believe. They don't make it anymore, but they used to, obviously. So it comes with a longer strap that attaches here, a longer version of this leather strap, and but just to make it maybe a little more fun or something, I want to put on the straps and see how it looks. And, okay, so as you can see, it's brass on silver, but I was kind of worried about that, but looking at it, it's not noticeable. I mean, there's so much going on. No one's going to be staring at that little link, so it doesn't bother me at all. Anyways, that's how it looks. So you could just, carry it around like this. Let it just hang there and look cool. Or, obviously, you can put it on like that and completely change the look of your bag, right? Get it crossbody. It is crossbody. And this piece also just, you can unbuckle it off. It comes with a buckle. So you can see right there, there's a buckle. So that whole thing can just come off and change the look as well. All right, let's try it with the yellow strap. Okay, here it is with the yellow strap, giving it the vintage vibe. On the shoulder, so it just gives it obviously a funner look, or just not as conservative, I guess. I don't know, just something that stands out. Okay, and I have one more goodie to show you to go with the yellow theme that we have going on. Okay, so I picked up another item to go with my, the vintage one, the yellow one. So this one also, they sent from Radio Drive. It is sold out online still. It's supposed to come back, but anyway, I called them and they overnighted it again. So, and of course, I made sure it was not touched, All right, so there it comes like that. To reveal this little cutie that goes with the bag. So it comes with the card slots and stuff, but this is the Gucci again. And I forgot to mention, it's got the signature feline cat. That's one of their new trademarks or logos or whatever, one of the new lines. So that's the feline, which is also on the other one. It has 2 card slots on the front, 1 down the middle. And then on the back, it's a little different. It goes sideways. So it's got a slot here and then 2 here, but it has that yellow to go with it. So yeah. So they're gonna look really cute together, I think, to use them together. But anyway, that is my unboxing. I hope it went smoothly. I hope you enjoyed it. If it's a little jumpy, there might be little editing issues just because I'm, a little green on doing this right now. But anyway, I hope you're well, and until next time, bye.